Okay girls. It's a beautiful day for high school girls. Diana. Are you wearing your seatbelt?
No.
Seriously Diana. Put that seatbelt on right now or else you will get kicked off this bus. If you are wearing it, you better keep it on.
Ugh. Okay. Fine.
Good. But keep it on.
I'm going to take off my seatbelt off. Perfect. Ouch, 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 ouch. Wah.
Oh my god. Diana. Are you okay?
No. It hurts bad. Wah.
There. All better. But next time be careful. Wait. Diana, did you take off your seatbelt?
Yes, I did.
Oh my freaking god. Diana. How dare you take off your seatbelt off? You know that you can possibly get hurt and it's very dangerous. That's it. Get out of this bus and walk home right now.
Wah.